How to update your Canva to Canva Pro for more professional designs. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your Canva and start making more professional templates and designs. So first thing, go to the home page of Canva and then go down below, click on the menu option right here, and now make sure to go down and choose try Canva Pro right here. Now you can start your free trial right here, and then you will be able to try it. And if you want to pay directly, just click from here and pay directly. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.